They're not gonna hear none of this. So.
Okay.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below. It takes like 3 seconds, sis. I can wait. We gonna wait until you hit that button. So go ahead and make sure you hit that red button and hit the like button. And in this video I'm gonna just be showing y'all how I get my hair bone straight.
Oh my gosh, bestie, this hair on the freaking camera. Oh my gosh, like she looks so freaking.
The hair was just looking too good. But anyways, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I get my hair bone straight. This is the method that I use on myself as well as my best friend, clearly. But this is Unice hair that she has in her head. It was, I believe, I want to say an 18 or 20 inch body wave lace frontal unit. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna correct myself on the screen. Better yet, I'm gonna just put the video on the iCards for y'all. The original review of this hair. It was a body wave wig. I didn't wear it that long because I ended up giving it to her. But anyways, we're using the chase method, which is when you use like some type of rat tail comb or some type of comb, and you chase it with the flat iron. Now this just really helps to spread out the hair and just to make sure you getting like all the hairs. I think that's what makes it bone straight. So yeah, this video is pretty self-explanatory. I just wanted to show y'all how I get my hair bone straight. Again, this is Unice hair, and yeah, y'all could just really watch what I'm doing. It's really self-explanatory. I take the comb in my non-dominant hand, which is my left hand, and then I use the flat iron in my right hand. And you just part the hair in sections and you flat iron it. I feel like it's really easy.
Dude, I'm embarrassed right now.
What I did use on the hair was a Carrot Care Silk and Sheen, like it's like a Silk and Sheen spray. It comes in a little spray bottle. Really good product when you like straightening hair or just styling hair in general. It gets the hair really silky and soft. So I did go on with that product. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all basically the entire process of me getting some hair bone straight. Y'all freaking see it. Like, can we talk about it though? Like, look at this hair. Look at how silky it looks, y'all. It was moving, it was flowy. Like, it was just giving me life. It really was. And I had to hype her up real quick because I was like, look at this hair. Look at it. But y'all, we are approaching the end of this video. Thank you so much if you watched all the way to the end. Do me a favor and make sure you subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment down below on any suggestions or just anything that you may want to say. Just leave it down below. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video.
Was you love me?